Maar nou eers Tuks toe, waar ons die mense se algemene kennis vinnig gaan toets. Stiek uit!
What's up julle, ek is Timo en vandag is ons hier by Tikkies by die beste akademiese universiteit in Suid-Afrika en ons gaan bietjie die mense se algemene kennis toets. So, hoe lank vat dit om een koppie koffie warm te skree?
4.5 hours, for definite.
It would probably be about an hour or so, just to make sure that it's warm enough.
Really long, like a day. Yeah, probably.
10 minutes, 5 minutes, I have no idea.
I don't know, I think just the vibrations, you know, it'll help that just like rattle over there, the heat. It'll get boiling, yeah.
A day. Yeah, a day. I'd go with a day. Yeah.
You think you can scream for an hour?
I have a loud voice, so probably, yeah.
Volgens websites is die antwoord 8 jaar, 7 maande en 6 dae. So, hoe lank moet jy jou kop stamp om 150 kalorieë te verbrand?
150 minutes.
Is that even safe?
Wow, none.
27.5 seconds.
1 minute, like really slow. Never mind. Yeah, cool.
Let's say 30 minutes. Yeah, because from there onwards you start bleeding and then it's a nasty scene. Yeah, you don't want to see that.
Die antwoord is 1 uur, oftewel 60 minute.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So, die vraag is, wat is die sterkste spier in jou liggaam?
Isn't that your tongue?
I think like Oxy said, a tongue.
I don't know. Your toes. 'Cause
It's the tongue. It has to be the tongue. Yes, it has to be the tongue.
why?
Because, I mean, the tongue is very strong.
What do you think you can pull with your tongue? It's the strongest muscle.
A truck.
Really?
Well, we'll test that theory out one day, but a truck, yes.
Die antwoord natuurlik is die tong. Dit lyk my ons is eintlik maar beter met ons sport. Dankie julle. Rock out.